In this video we're going to create this horizontal stabilizer. I can see that it has rounded ends with a radius of 1 inch or a diameter of 2 inches. The distance between the center points is 2 inches and it has a thickness of 0.25 or 1/4 inch. I'll start a new Part Studio in inches, choose a sketch. On the top sketch plane, right click and view normal to the sketch plane. I'll start with a center point rectangle and use the origin as the center of this rectangle. Now this is a square, so if I hold down the Alt key on the keyboard and click, I can just enter one distance to create this square. So it's 2 inches between the centers of the rounded ends. So now I've created a 2-inch square. I'll use my arc tool, and this is going to be a center point arc. And as I come to this side, I can look for the square midpoint, click that as the center of the arc, click on the end point to be coincident, and the other end point to create that rounded end. I'll do the same thing on this other side, midpoint for the center, end point, and end point. And with this I've created the profile sketch. I'll end the sketch and choose isometric. I'll use my extrude. I'm going to use a window to choose the profile. In this case it will be a thickness of 0.25 extruded in the vertical direction, and I will accept that. Use P on the keyboard to turn off the sketch planes.